Session 17. Kalimat dengan pertanyaan. Sentences with questions. What is, where do you live? In Indonesian. Answer. Di mana kamu tinggal? What is, what time is it? In Indonesian. Answer. Jam berapa sekarang? What is, how are you? In Indonesian. Answer. Apa kabar? What is, where is the nearest restaurant? In Indonesian. Answer. Di mana restoran terdekat? What is, do you want some tea? In Indonesian. Answer. Apakah kamu ingin teh? What is, why are you late? In Indonesian. Answer. Mengapa kamu terlambat? What is your name? In Indonesian. Answer. Siapa nama kamu? What is, how old are you? In Indonesian. Answer. Berapa umur kamu? What is, can I help you? In Indonesian. Answer. Bisa saya bantu? What is, what are you doing? In Indonesian. Answer. Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? Thanks you. Terima kasih. Session 18. Kalimat dengan perasaan. Sentences with feelings. What is, I am happy today in Indonesian? Answer. Saya senang hari ini. What is, he is tired in Indonesian? Answer. Dia lelah. What is, we are excited about the trip in Indonesian? Answer. Kami senang dengan perjalanan ini. What is, she is sad in Indonesian? Answer. Dia sedih. What is, they are angry in Indonesian? Answer. Mereka marah. What is, I am afraid of the dark in Indonesian? Answer. Saya takut gelap. What is, he is hungry in Indonesian? Answer. Dia lapar. What is, we are nervous about the exam in Indonesian? Answer. Kami gugup tentang ujian. What is, she is excited to meet you in Indonesian? Answer. Dia senang bertemu denganmu. What is, I am bored in Indonesian? Answer. Saya bosan. Thanks you. Terima kasih. Session 19. Kalimat dengan sifat. Sentences with adjectives. What is, the book is interesting in Indonesian? Answer. Buku itu menarik. What is, the house is big in Indonesian? Answer. Rumah itu besar. What is, she is beautiful in Indonesian? Answer. Dia cantik. What is, the car is fast in Indonesian? Answer. Mobil itu cepat. What is, the food is delicious in Indonesian? Answer. Makanan itu enak. What is, the dog is friendly in Indonesian? Answer. Anjing itu ramah. What is, the sky is clear in Indonesian? Answer. Langit itu cerah. What is, my sister is smart in Indonesian? Answer. Adik saya pintar. What is, this movie is boring in Indonesian? Answer. Film ini membosankan. What is, he is tall in Indonesian? Answer. Dia tinggi. Thanks you. Terima kasih. Session 20. Kalimat dengan aktivitas rutin. Sentences with daily activities. What is, I brush my teeth every morning in Indonesian? Answer. Saya menyikat gigi setiap pagi. What is, he goes to work every day in Indonesian? Answer. Dia pergi bekerja setiap hari. What is, we cook dinner every evening in Indonesian? Answer. Kami memasak makan malam setiap malam. What is, she does exercise every morning in Indonesian? Answer. Dia berolahraga setiap pagi. What is, they take a shower in the morning in Indonesian? Answer. Mereka mandi di pagi hari. What is, I drink coffee in the morning in Indonesian? Answer. Saya minum kopi di pagi hari. What is, he reads the newspaper every day in Indonesian? Answer. Dia membaca koran setiap hari. What is, we walk to school every day in Indonesian? Answer. Kami berjalan ke sekolah setiap hari. What is, she watches TV every night in Indonesian? Answer. Dia menonton TV setiap malam. What is, I sleep at 10 p.m. every night in Indonesian? Answer. Saya tidur jam 10 malam setiap malam. Thanks you. Terima kasih.